emergency for downtown Green City. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Green City Police Department. There have been unconfirmed reports of paranormal activity in downtown Green City. As such, the mayor of Green City has issued a voluntary stay-at-home order for the entirety of Green City. You may go outside, however, please be aware of possible paranormal activity within your area. Halloween activities are also allowed to continue, however, hosts of these activities are to exercise caution. The Green City Police Department wishes everybody a happy, safe, and spooky Halloween. Repeating, due to unconfirmed reports of paranormal activity in downtown Green City, a voluntary stay-at-home order is now in effect. Please remain safe. Stay tuned for further information on this developing situation.